The Article 370 abrogation hearing that has been taking place in the Supreme Court.
Right, we're given to understand that the Supreme Court has asked some questions to the centre. Let me take you through the questions. The Supreme Court has asked, does Parliament have power to convert a state to union territory? We want to know the source of power. And the court also wants to know till when will Jammu Kashmir remain a union territory, since the current status was temporary and statehood will be restored, was said by the government.
So this is asking us for a roadmap, exactly what now happens with the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. And Harish, if you can help us understand, because the Constitution bench has been raising the question as far as a union territory is concerned, Jammu and Kashmir, was it really consistent and a federal doctrine that has been followed by the central government?
Yes, remember there are several petitions among the 22 petitions which are also challenging the bifurcation of the state into two union territories, that is Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, after scrapping the statehood. So Supreme Court had as today asked several very important questions to the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who had appeared for the centre, and the questions are: number one, does Parliament have power to convert a state to UT? We want to know the source of the power. Number two, you say the current status of Jammu Kashmir as a union territory was temporary and statehood would be restored. So is this not a permanent UT, right? Number three is the most important question. If so, when are you holding elections? In fact, Supreme Court wants to know when the elections in the Jammu Kashmir will be held after restoring the statehood. And has very importantly said that democratic process is very important and democratic process has to be restored at the earliest. And it was also asked till how long Jammu Kashmir will remain a union territory and what is the roadmap for it. So when the hearing resumes at 2 p.m., the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta is expected to answer, to respond to all these very crucial questions. And Tushar Mehta said he will take instructions and come back to the court at 2 p.m. Remember, regarding state reorganization, the Solicitor General said that the courts should not interfere, and saying that considering strategic importance, issues of terrorism, threats from outside, there will be several considerations. Jammu Kashmir shares border with 4 countries. Then there was daily incidents of terrorism, hartal, stone pelting. All these are policy matters, and we have a blueprint. Justice Call at this juncture asked, can cross-border terrorism be a sole criteria? Solicitor General said Jammu Kashmir faces a peculiar situation, and please do not take it as a knee-jerk reaction. There were several considerations, like to bring youth into the mainstream. Local body elections were held. We have a blueprint and it has been working. Jammu Kashmir is returning to normalcy. So these are some of the very significant, crucial submissions given by the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who has appeared for the central government. But the very important, the most important question being coming from the Supreme Court bench as to when are you going to hold elections in Jammu Kashmir. Remember, there are several petitions also seeking a direction to the Election Commission to hold elections in Jammu Kashmir, and the centre has been now asked to reply as to this crucial question, and also as to till how long this Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh will remain a union territory, and when will the statehood be restored, and till when will election, by when will election process start. Supreme Court has emphasized that the democratic process has to be resumed